Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to attach receipts to transactions in Wave. Attaching receipts ensures your expense records are verifiable and audit ready. Let's get into it. First step, go to transactions. From the main menu of the dashboard, you want to click transactions. And then step 2, find the transactions to attach a receipt to. All you gotta do is scroll or search to locate the relevant transactions. Click to expand it. Step 3, click the attach receipt button. On the right side of the expanded transaction, you're gonna see a paperclip icon or a linked label attach receipts. Just click on that. Step 4, upload your file. Now you gotta choose the image or PDF of the receipt from your computer or mobile device. It must be in JPEG, PNG or PDF format. After uploading, Wave links it to the transaction. Step 5, review attachments. Once uploaded, you're gonna see a thumbnail of the receipt on that transaction. You can click it to preview or download. You can also delete and re-upload if needed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.